Is your Spectrum app stuck on the Getting Program Data screen on your Samsung TV? You're not alone. This is a common issue, especially on older Samsung models. The primary solution is to perform a Smart Hub reset. This clears the app's cached data and refreshes its connection to Spectrum's servers. While it is a temporary fix and might recur, it resolves the problem in about 80% of cases. In the next section, we'll walk through the steps to reset your Smart Hub. First, navigate to the Settings menu on your Samsung TV. Then go to Support, then Self-Diagnosis, and select Reset Smart Hub. You'll be prompted to enter a PIN. The default PIN is often 0000. After entering the PIN, the TV will reboot. Once it restarts, reopen the Spectrum app. If the issue persists, ensure your TV's firmware and the Spectrum app are updated to the latest versions. A stable Wi-Fi connection with minimum 10 Mbps set is also essential. For further troubleshooting, Spectrum's app now includes an automated diagnostic tool within its settings.